Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the right mic and DAW settings because capture quality limits everything that follows. Plug in a condenser or dynamic mic, set sample rate to 48K Hz and 24-bit, then record a short test so you can hear noise and clipping. Once done, adjust preamp gain to peak around -12 dB and position the mic 10 to 30 centimeters from the source. Make sure input monitoring works and label tracks so you won't lose time later. You now clean and sculpt the recording so background sound sits naturally. First, edit out unwanted noises and tighten fades. Use spectral repair for hard clicks and a noise gate for low-level hum. Then, EQ to remove subsonic rumble under 80 Hz and add presence around 3 to 6 kHz, because clarity helps the background support the foreground. Once balanced, apply light compression at about 2:1 to control peaks. Then add subtle reverb or delay and automate levels for consistency. You finish by balancing and exporting so the background enhances, not overwhelms. Set the background track roughly -10 to -6 dB under the main vocal and preview on headphones, phone, and monitors to ensure translation. Once satisfied, export a WAV master at 48K Hz, 24-bit, then render delivery MP3s at the appropriate bitrate. If something goes wrong, try this. If the mix sounds muddy, apply a high pass at about 120 Hz. If it clips, lower the master by 1 to 3 decibels and re-export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.